Welcome to another draw along with me, Rob. Today we're drawing my favourite dinosaur, the Stegosaurus. Grab a pen or pencil and something to colour with, and let's get drawing. We're going to start with the head, so move your pen over to the left hand side of the page, about halfway down, and draw a long C shape, curving round, and finishing off roughly where we started but below. Now we're going to draw the back, and it's going to be like a hill, so going up in a curving motion and then back down again, finishing off near to the right hand side of the page, about the same level as the neck. Now we're going to draw in the tail, which is a long wide curving C shape again. So watch my pen as I curve down towards the bottom and up. Now we're going to draw a short line going backwards, but only a little way, stopping there. And we're going to draw a curving point upwards and back down for the first of the spikes on the tail. Now draw about 1 centimetre across again and do another but larger spike going up and then back down, and that's our second spike. Now we're going to follow the line back in a tighter C shape, finishing off the tail. So watch as I move my pen upwards and start widening and curving down as we've got to come down for the belly. Now we're going to draw in the leg, which is like a long tube shape. Come in downwards, curve around, flatten off, follow the bottom about 2 centimetres, rounding and back up, and then widen a bit at the top. And it's almost like a funnel at the top. Now we'll draw the curve of the belly, just downwards and back up, matching the shape of the top. And we're going to match the shape of that leg on this side, so downwards at a diagonal, down to the bottom, curve around, about 2 centimetres curve up, and then kick it back out, another sort of funnel shaped top. Finally we're going to curve upwards and then match in at the neck where we finished, and we've got the outline completed of our Stegosaurus. The next thing we're going to do is just draw 2 L shapes, which are the legs on the other side of the body. So just watch as I do that. Draw down, round, and just L shape in, and we're putting the legs in. Now we're going to work on the spines on the back. We'll start really small, and we're drawing a curved diamond shape, only about 1 centimetre high. And draw your second curved diamond slightly bigger. And just continue on, making each one slightly bigger than the last. And just slowly building up size as we work our way up to the middle point. So you can see it's just getting slightly bigger. Back down. Nice big one into the middle, curving up, round and down. Make another one slightly bigger as well, because I think it just adds to that sense of drama. And as we head back down the spine, we want to start making those spines slightly smaller. So watch as I start to just shrink the size down again. And the next one's going to be slightly smaller again. Let's have another 2. Again, shrinking the size so they match into the tail. Perhaps one more. And we'll do a very little one actually, just to finish off. Okay, there's the spines done. It's starting to take shape. Now we're going to go over to the head and we're going to draw in the eye. So similar to last time, big circle. Do a bit smaller or a bit bigger if you like. Now draw the pupil in as a crescent shape, a half circle. Leave a little circle in the middle and then shade it in black. And that's the dinosaur's pupil. Draw a little oval in on the end of the nose and a little curving line up for a smile on the dinosaur's head. Okay, we're almost done. Next we're just going to add in 2 more curved spikes just on the other side of each of the ones we already did, and just match it in wherever you like really. And we'll have 4 spikes on the tail. And now we're going to add in the toe details. So I want you to draw an M shape and then add an extra loop. So 1, 2, and 3, and that does the toes on each of the feet. And just do each one slightly bigger when you're doing the front legs. And there's the toes. Finally, we're just going to add in a few details around the body. I want you to draw kind of almost like an outline of a country on a map. Don't be too fussy, just squiggly lines in different areas around the back detail of the Stegosaurus. And this is going to give us just a fun alternate colouring for the skin tone. So we're going to do a few of these, anywhere you like really. Different sizes, there's a small one. Another maybe smaller one over here. And we're going to use a different shading tone for those. Maybe do a couple around the neck area as well, just to add a bit of variation in. And we're almost done with the line work. Next thing we're going to do is just add a bit of vegetation. So I want you to do a curving line near the head at the bottom, and then just draw some loops with your pen either side of that line, and we get a nice plant detail. So Stegosauruses were ate plants, so we need to put a few plants in there for our Stegosaurus to eat. So again, just drawing up a simple curving outline and then little loops around either side for the vegetation. And then again, start drawing a few spiky zigzags, and we'll add in bits of grass just in the background. Put a few around the base of the legs, just to give it that kind of place of setting, so he's actually in an environment. And there you have it. That is our line work completed. So let's go into super speedy mode for the colouring. I'm going to mix oranges, yellows and greens for this one. And while you watch, I've got a few fun facts to share about the Stegosaurus. Did you know that the Stegosaurus was a herbivore, which means it ate only plants, not other dinosaurs? Stegosaurus lived about 145 million years ago during the Jurassic period. And my final fact, the Stegosaurus was about 4 meters tall and about 9 or 10 meters long, about the size of a bus. But its brain was only about the size of a walnut, so not the smartest dino out there. That's it for today. What did you think of my Stegosaurus drawing? I'm already sketching ideas for my next video, a hoodie wearing Red Riding Hood. I'll post this on Saturday, so don't forget to subscribe for updates. See you soon!